I am Bobby, filming right now in the heart of Helsinki in Finland. It's my first time here. I'm just walking around discovering the city for the first time. It's January the 11th of 2023, so they still have a lot of Christmas lights and New Year's lights on. But just gorgeous city. I can't praise it enough. I'm blown away. Really did not expect this. Very well put together, very elegant, and very nice people. Really nice people. I'm walking towards the railway station. It's a piece of art of a building from what I've been reading. I have not seen it yet, but built in Art Deco style in 1907, 1908, something like that. I might be off by a couple of years, but anyway, it's supposed to be a really interesting building. And I'm gonna get there in about a minute and check it out. Right here on the left, I believe it's on the right, I'm sorry. On the right, I believe this is the Athenaeum building. It's a place for performing arts, theater, and singing, stuff like that, film perhaps. And yes, that must be the railway station coming up, the big tall tower. I apologize for the spots on the camera. It's snowing really hard, so a lot of these snowflakes get on the camera. I'll try to, let's see. Okay, much better. Sorry about that. Look how beautiful this city is. It's the perfect combination of modern and classical. You have classical over there, the Athenaeum building, more modern buildings here, kind of middle of the road here, the Art Deco building of the main railway station in the city. Alright, I'm gonna jaywalk here, hopefully not get arrested by the Finnish police. Oops, streetcar coming. Alright, here we go. Just perfect time to come and visit a Nordic country in the middle of winter. Tropical weather, as y'all can see. I'm so smart. Alright, let's see. I'm gonna walk inside the train station here, check it out. It's supposed to have a lot of beautiful buildings from about 110, 120 years ago when they built it. Oh, I also wanted to mention that the Chicago Tribune tower was modeled after this tower here in Helsinki, and the Chicago Tribune in the early 1900s was the first skyscraper anywhere in the world. Of course, the Chicago Tribune in the US is a much taller building than this, but it's modeled after this tower. Same architect, a Finnish architect from my limited understanding, and I hope I'm not wrong. All right, let's go. Main train station in Helsinki, and boy am I happy to be inside because it's bitter cold outside. Really nice restaurant here. Look at that. Wow. And yeah, unfortunately there's a Burger King as well. I don't know why they would allow that here, but Anyway, let's go and check it out. It might be a nice one, given the building. Aha! Look at that painting there. That is Art Nouveau. Not Art Deco, but Art Nouveau painting. And pretty nice for a Burger King. Nice chandeliers here. Alright, let's see what else. Main entrance. A lot of Finnish places there. Who wants to go to, let's see, Kapita, Turku, or Kupis, Abo? I'm close to 100% sure that I mispronounced that. Anyway, thank you all so much for watching. This is Bobby filming in Helsinki, in Finland, at the main railway station in the city. Beautiful Art Deco building from the early 1900s.